In this video, let's see how create and manage Easify email sender. In the navigation bar, click on Email to expand the options. Select Email Senders from the Email submenu. Click on Add Easify Email Sender to create a new Easify email sender. In the pop-up, enter from name and from email address. Click on Create Email Domain to proceed. Add all of these records to your host's DNS section. In the pop-up window, select the checkbox labeled I've added these records to proceed with verification. On the Senders page, click the Verify button to verify after adding DNS records. Now, let's see what all actions can be done on an Easify email sender. You can re-verify, set as default, assign and delete an Easify email sender from here. Select the Re-Verify option from the three-dot menu to check the verification status of the email sender. In the pop-up, click on Continue to proceed with re-verifying the email sender. Select the three-dot menu and click this Set as Default to make this sender your default Easify email sender. In the Action section, click the three-dot menu next to the desired email sender. From the three-dot menu, click on Assign to map this email sender to a user. In the pop-up, click the drop-down to select a user. Choose one or more users from the list of users. Now, the assigning process completed successfully. Click the three-dot menu for exploring next action. Select Delete from the three-dot menu for deleting an email sender. In the confirmation pop-up, click the Delete button to proceed with deletion. It is now deleted successfully. Thank you for watching.